I've always been fascinated by the power of simple financial strategies to change lives. Today, we're diving into a method that's helped thousands break free from debt, the debt snowball. You might be wondering, how can a snowball help with finances? Well, stick around and I'll show you how this clever approach can transform your financial future. Let's break down the debt snowball method step by step. First, you'll need to list all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. This is key because it's different from other strategies like the debt avalanche method, which prioritizes high-interest debts first. The debt snowball is all about quick wins and building momentum. Next, you'll make minimum payments on all your debts except the smallest one. This is where the magic happens. You'll focus all your extra money on paying off that smallest debt as quickly as possible. As you pay off that smallest debt, you'll feel a surge of accomplishment. That's the psychological power of the debt snowball. Now that you've paid off your smallest debt, what's next? Well, you take all the money you were putting towards that debt and roll it into paying off the next smallest debt. It's like your snowball is getting bigger and more powerful. You repeat this process, debt after debt, watching your snowball grow larger and more unstoppable with each payoff. It's a beautiful thing to see in action. Before you know it, you're tackling larger and larger debts with ease, all while building financial discipline and consistency. The debt snowball method is more than just a way to pay off debt. It's a journey that builds financial confidence and creates lasting change. Remember, becoming debt-free isn't just about the numbers. It's about the freedom, the reduced stress, and the opportunities that open up when you're no longer burdened by debt. So why not start your own debt snowball today? Your future self will thank you.